You are going to love the 2017 Golf GTI. This Volkswagen is considered by many to be the hot hatchback. The GTI is available in both 2- and 4-door models to easily accommodate up to 4 adults. A decent-sized 15-plus cubic foot trunk is well-shaped and easy to load and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: turbocharged, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, intermittent wipers, daytime running lights, fog lamps, FWD, 4-wheel disc brakes. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.